So when I'm beginning work on developing my essay introduction, it's really important to start with the thesis statement. Remember, the introduction has a hook, a background, and a thesis, but you really need to know what your thesis is to develop the rest of that paragraph. So I was given the writing prompt, write about how an author uses literary techniques to demonstrate a theme. The first step is to break it down. What am I being asked to do? I'm being asked to write about literary techniques and theme. So then I need to explore the possibilities since I was given more options there. So possible themes in the book I was looking at were loyalty and friendships, appearances can be deceiving, and opposites attract in the book that I read called Freak the Mighty. So then I need to get more specific though. Loyalty by itself is just not enough of an argument for a claim. So I started out by writing loyalty is important in friendships, and then I changed that word important to crucial to make it more extreme, more of something that I could argue about. Once I know what I want to write about, loyalty is crucial in friendships, that's my theme, then I need to explore the literary techniques that support it. So some possible techniques that I saw in the book that would work were complex characters, character relationships, imagery, the climax of the plot, and motif. There probably are others even. But I want to pick the ones that are going to work best for give me the most I could write about, basically. So you want to select 2 to 3 for an essay. A solid essay might have 2 really good paragraphs. So 2 would be fine. It might have 3 if it's more advanced, or 4, or even beyond that. But for now, I'm just going to stick with a proficient essay with 2 body paragraphs that explore 2 different techniques of complex characters and motif that support my theme idea of loyalty is crucial in friendships. Well, then I need to get specific again. So, all right, which characters am I going to write about? Well, the characters' names are Max and Freak. And what was the motif? This was actually a contemporary novel, but one of the characters was obsessed with the Knights of the Round Table, and so it sort of became a motif throughout the story. Then I have to put it all together into a thesis statement. So here's a format idea in the title of the work. Blank author uses literary technique 1 and literary technique 2 to pick one of these words, develop, suggest, illustrate, strengthen, reinforce the theme. So here's an example. In The Telltale Heart, Poe uses symbolism of the clock and first-person narration to illustrate the power of the mind. And here's my example. In Freak the Mighty, Philbrick establishes the complex characters of Max and Freak and uses the motif of King Arthur's knights to illustrate that loyalty is crucial in friendships. It's not the only way a thesis could be written. Here's another format where one starts with the techniques, through or by literary technique 1 and literary technique 2, the author's title of the work, pick one of these words, suggest the idea that the theme idea. So here's the example. Through first-person narration and the symbolism of the clock, Poe's The Telltale Heart suggests that the mind is very powerful. Or here's mine. By establishing the complex characters of Max and Freak and using the motif of King Arthur's knights, Philbrick's Freak the Mighty illustrates that loyalty is crucial in friendships. Whew. So you can see down at the bottom of my introductory paragraph that has its hook in pink and the background in blue that my thesis statement I chose to use is in red. By establishing the complex characters of Max and Freak and using the motif of King Arthur's knights, Philbrick's Freak the Mighty illustrates that loyalty is crucial in friendships. And please note that Freak the Mighty is underlined because it's the name of a novel. Short stories would be in quotation marks. And that's the thesis part of the introduction.